How to upload email list in Freshsales CRM. So first, go to your account. Next is just click on the contacts here at the left side, and then click on import contacts. Now select CSV or Excel, and then click on next. Now select contacts, click on next, and then you just need to click on upload file and then upload your file from here. So I'm just going to upload my file. Okay, now let's just wait for it. And then make sure that all of these are mapped and then choose which ones you're going to import here. Okay, now click on next again. And then choose how you want to import your contacts. If you want to create new contacts or create new contacts and update existing ones or update only existing ones. You can choose among the three. And then you can just select your sales owner for unassigned contacts. And then if you want to see more settings, you can just click on this one. And then you can just click on import now once you're done doing all of this. And then let's just wait. Okay. Now as you can see here, success. Import initiated. You will be notified via email once import is done. Okay. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.